So student, welcome to the second video of the same chapter, More Features of Scratch. In this video, we are going to understand our second topic, that is using sensing key to respond to the keys pressed. Let me understand what is this function of sensing key and how we use in our Scratch program. So that many times we want a program to respond to a key pressed on the keyboard. Okay, so that is the scratch will move either it will tell their speech, or it will say some word, or it will change the color. But when it will happen, whenever you press any button, any key or specific command from the keyboard, that is called sensing the key press. So whenever you press any button of the keyboard, then only it will perform as you have given command in the program. For example, like we may require controlling some character or action using the arrow keys. So this can be done using the block. And second is sensing block can be used to determine a key press on the keyboard, the location of the mouse pointer, its distance from other spirit, and whether a spirit is touching another spirit. So this all can be possible in case of sensing the key press function. Sensing the key press function, we have specific keys like key space. So whenever we press a space key of our keyboard, so it is used to detect if a specific key is pressed on the keyboard. This kind of command can be used. And then we have mouse down. That is, it is used to detect whether the mouse button is pressed or not. Then mouse X. So it is used to store the X value of the position of the mouse pointer. And mouse Y. It is used to store the Y value of the position of the mouse pointer. These all are used with other control blocks in Scratch. We'll do that also practically. Let's see one example. In this example, we are changing the size of the spirit. As I click on YA, it makes spirit bigger by 10. As I click S, which is used to reduce the spirit size by 10. Each time they are pressed respectively. So whenever we click A or S, there will be a change in the size of the spirit. So by the help of this program as written here in this PPT, let me try this same program to build, and let's see whether it works or not. What are the things for this? We have to take a forever block, then we have to take if PS is pressed then. Okay. And if then we have to select the if then block, two block are there, if then two blocks are there, and we have to key press button, two key press button we have to use, and change size by that is also two we have to use. Okay, so let's see this practically. For this you have to open Scratch program. Okay, now student will do the same program practically and understand how the key press, sensing key press will work. Okay. So for that we have to take some events, like I have to take first of all forever block. Okay. Then we have to take if then block, two if then block we have to use. And that you can see spaces there, the diamond shape. There we have to place sensing block. What kind of sensing block? That is key press, that one. You have to place it between this diamond and one more. Okay. Now what we have to select, what will happen with the spirit. So we have to select the change. What kind of change will be possible when we click on this. So change size. So we will click on change size by 10 or change size by 10. But here we have to change size in terms of minus because we have to decrease, reduce the size of the cat. This spirit. Here it is in plus 10, here it is in minus 10. And now we have to change the key press sense function. Here it is written space. I want to change it as A. So as you click on it, drop down menu will open. You have to select A. And in case of here, you have to again click on drop down menu and select S. Here it is S. This much is done. Now we have to give one more command so that it will start running. So you have to select event flag. This one. Okay. Now as I click on this flag, it will start. But what is it, the size of the spirit increasing or decreasing? No. But for that, what we have to press to increase the size, what I have selected A button. So I have to select or press A from the keyboard. So let's see whether it works or not. I am pressing A. Look, it is increasing the size of the spirit. Yes. So student, you can see it is a kind of sensing key press function. So I am pressing A and the size has increased. Now I will press S button as I selected in the program. And what will happen? It will decrease the size of the spirit. So I just press S. So I am pressing S and continuously the size of the spirit is decreasing. So this two button will explain you how the sensing block or the sensing key will work. I hope students you all have understood this program and the concept of sensing key block. Hope so you will understand. So student, just try this practically at home. We will meet again in the next video in our next topic with our next topic. Till then, thank you for watching this video.